Hi there, happy Monday everyone. Going to work. I need to because we don't have much money right now. My husband doesn't have a nice work that would pay good. Yeah, yung work ng hobby ko kasi kung minsan wala, kung minsan meron, patay-patay. Oh my goodness, so I need to work hard. Ang hirap. Kailangan magtrabaho. Pag dito sa Amerika, kailangan magtrabaho maayos. Kita mo. Kailangan pumasok ng maaga para kasi panggabi yung second shift yung asawa ko, so kailangan maaga ako papasok. Pwede naman sa kasi may mga pumapasok ng maaga kasi yung ibang workers 10 hours a day sila, yung iba kami 8 hours a day, so yun, sa 8 hours a day ako kasi 8 hours a day yung asawa ko, pero yun nga, papatay-patay, minsan wala, minsan meron, tapos ang liit pa ng sweldo, kaya kailangan niyang umanap ng trabahong maayos, yung makabubuhay ng pamilya. Ay nako, ang hirap. Hospital bills, naku, napaka laki. Hospital kasi ako. Oops. Okay, gonna turn. Yep. Jeez. Yung salamin ko kasi back mirror ko hindi ayos. There you go. Hello mga kabayan there. Hope you are in good hands today. Monday, so start of work this week. Kumusta na kayo dyan mga kababayan na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? And help me to lumaki yung karoon ng maraming subscriber. Kaya please like and subscribe naman dyan, makatulong naman sa akin. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Mamaya